In this video, we will guide you through the process of resolving the Chrome dependency reported by Flutter Doctor. In the previous video, we checked for unresolved dependencies in Flutter using Flutter Doctor. Welcome back to Code Climbers, where we take you on a coding journey, one step at a time. Chromium, an open-source software project also created by Google, serves as the rendering engine for web-based content within the Flutter framework. To install Chromium on Ubuntu, the easiest method is to navigate to the Ubuntu software store and acquire it from there. Click the search button and type Chromium. From the list, select Chromium. Click Install and authenticate with your password. Chromium will be installed instantly. We had previously executed Flutter Doctor, during which we identified that Chromium was missing. Now, execute the following command. Which Chromium? This command will allow you to determine the path of the Chromium executable. The path is snap bin Chromium. Next, we need to set the environment variable Chrome executable to the path of the Chromium executable. Copy the path, paste it. Execute the command to set the environment variable Chrome executable. Finally, do not forget to export the environment variable using the following command. Export Chrome executable. This action will make the Chrome executable environment variable available to other processes or subshells. To confirm that the configurations have been completed correctly, let's rerun Flutter Doctor. Congratulations, the Chrome dependency has now been resolved. Moving forward, we will address the Android Studio and Android toolchain dependencies in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to Code Climbers. Happy coding!